Modern Rolex, they make some of the very best bracelets you can buy. Be it Oyster or Jubilee or President, their bracelets are fantastic. So it'll take a strap of uncommon quality, an aftermarket strap of uncommon quality, to make you want to take it off the bracelet and wear it on another option. So I have a couple Everest bands here. Everest is a company that makes aftermarket luxury straps for most popular Rolex references. Now my watch is the 116710LN, the GMT-Master II, and as you can see I have it here on the black rubber strap, and I just want to do a video, kind of comment on the quality of the strap, and hopefully you guys, if you're interested in changing up your Rolex, hopefully this video is helpful for you. So the quality is really good. It's a natural rubber. It's very supple, very soft, comfortable. It has a nice color saturation of the black. And as you can see, the end portions of the strap just fit perfectly against the case. And I like how the black just ties in well with the dial and the ceramic bezel, and it kind of accentuates the beefy nature of the maxi lugs on the case. And I don't know, I really like the look, and I can tell you that the quality of the strap feels like it matches the case. It feels a very nice quality, especially on the wrist. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, it doesn't feel cheap, and even the hardware I think kind of matches the style. And there is a screw pin that attaches the hardware to the rubber strap. So the rubber strap is awesome, and I think it's a great choice for the summer. You know, if you're going to the lake, or you're swimming, or you do a lot of fishing, golf, whatever it may be, this is a good option to wear the watch on. Now let's take a look at the leather strap that I have here. This is again made by Everest, and it also has the fitted end portion to hug tightly against the case. If you turn over both straps, you'll notice there's a little gap for you to access the spring bar flange to change the to change the strap out with the tool. And I think that's a nice detail. It's an added feature that you don't normally find on aftermarket products, but I like it. And the strap looks good. You know, the color works well with the black, brings out the green accent real well. I would say it's a nice quality. It's not my favorite. I much prefer the rubber. And I think if I did want to put the GMT-Master II on a leather strap, I'd probably go for a different leather, just to be honest. I don't know, it's just not quite there in my eyes, although the quality is nice, and I think it does look pretty sharp. But anyways, these straps, they retail for $225 a piece, which is you know, not inexpensive. But if you're spending, you know, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000 on the watch, really a $200 strap isn't a big deal. I've enjoyed it. I'm going to wear the rubber on my GMT-Master II probably the rest of this summer, or the majority of this summer. I might wear the leather once or twice. I'll probably end up selling it if I'm honest. But I just wanted to give you guys a good look at some options, some aftermarket options for the GMT-Master II. So let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.